To import goods to Iran, the importer must have their commercial card and import license. Commercial cards are issued by Iran's Chamber of Commerce and approved and endorsed by the Ministry of Industry, Mine and Trade. To obtain an import license, the importer must register its purchase order with the Ministry of Industry, Mine and Trade, which is the government body responsible for issuing the license. For commercial importing of goods to Iran, companies should follow the following steps. Firstly, interested parties should first identify their goods on the list of permitted import merchandise. Iranian law classifies imported goods into three classes. A. Authorized goods, such as industry equipment and machines which may be imported in accordance with general regulations. B. Conditional goods, such as cosmetics, food and medicines, which are subject to special conditions. C. Prohibited goods, which may not be imported because of the goods themselves or the country of origin. The ministry has the authority to exclude goods if they are produced locally and local production matches or exceeds the national demand. If the goods are not sufficiently available from national production, an import permit may be issued. Companies must register their purchase order with the Ministry of Industry, Mine and Trade. Following the registration of the purchase order, banks will open a letter of credit for the transaction. To register a purchase order, the following documents are required: a valid commercial card, a membership card from the Ministry of Industry, Mine and Trade, the completed product order form, the original copy of performance, catalogs and booklets, as well as product specifications for certain goods. Companies should also determine the customs regimes which apply to their class of good. Generally, one of the three legal regimes applies to the import of goods to Iran. A. The import for national consumption, which applies to any merchandise above $1,000. B. Import of goods to stores in warehouses under the bond system for up to 6 months when the tax and duties are due. C. The temporary import of goods for display at fairs and exhibitions, re-export, repackaging, separating, grading and sorting, clearing, mixing, or for finish or repair at free zones. The good will be shipped and enter one of Iran's designated points of entry. Goods can enter Iran by air, sea, or land. Entry points such as Bandar Abbas Port and Tehran Airport provide custom services to the importers. Trucks passing through Bazargan Customs at the Iran-Turkey border will transit to Tehran Customs for discharge and customs clearance procedure. Finally, once the goods arrive at the customs, the procedures for customs clearance must be dealt with. For clearance of goods from customs, the importer should provide the following documents to customs authorities: the product order form, the customs import declaration, a receipt of payment of customs fees, shipping documents such as commercial invoices, a bill of lading, a packing list, a certificate of origin, a certificate of inspection, a certificate of conformity, an insurance policy, the commercial card, a warehouse receipt, a clearance certificate, LC, a packing list and cover letter from the Ministry of Industry, Mine and Trade. To clear goods from customs, the following steps should be taken: filing the customs declaration form, inspection of the goods, and calculation of duty tax. Once the duty taxes are paid, customs will issue the green permission and a stamp at the exit gate, which is the final receipt. Fresh fruit and vegetable and products that contain milk, eggs and meat may require to pass quarantine and standard inspection and obtain quarantine entries and import permits.